data binding 9. Head script. And body. Create a table. Align equal to center. Cell padding somewhere between. T head will be required. Under the T head, you will write the TR, then TH. After this, serial number is required. Item name is required. Then action. T body. Write one TR. T body will have ID first. ID equal to item list. TR. TD. Call span equal to 3. This is from. Okay, now this is from, you can write no records. TD aligns will be center. So it will print in the middle. This is the structure of table, but in that data will be sent by JavaScript. JavaScript will generate the data and data will come from JavaScript side. Okay, so got it. Next, after that, come to the script part. This file, if we run, should look like this. Saying as a no records. Apply border for table. One border color red, cell spacing 0. So one line border will come inside. It will not be a double line. Okay, one line border got applied. Now give some width also. 500-600 will become little spacious. Something like this. Now next matter is of data. So go to the script part. Create a variable item. Something we added. Now write a function get item. Under the get item function, you have to create the tr now. Okay, so you can see we have total 5 items. We have that 5 items should create the 5 tr. So first generate the tr here. Write a variable all tr all tr equal to empty. Then you will start the map function item dot map item dot map name of the item as well as index of the item. From below, write all tr equal to all tr plus tr. Add a new tr under the all tr. Close the tr also. Slash n you give. Write again slash n 2 times. So after the tr, there will be 2 times line break. Again, all tr equal to all tr plus td index plus td. name you can add here. Next, after that, one more TD you add here. Delete button. Button open, close. Delete. In the TD also we need to give /n in the last. /n, /n, and /n. We'll give proper space. Okay, now you write slowly. Yeah, are you ready? Loop is also ready. So this loop is going to run total 5 times. 5 times it will run, and every loop it will create a new TR. And under the TR, it will push total 3 TD. Let's see after the loop what is happening. Console.log all TR. We check in console. Console.log all TR. Got it? But how this function will call? Are you calling the function anywhere? No. On load. Get item. All TR. Printed. On load call the function called get item. Click on console and reload the page. Reload the page. See how many TR it's creating. Yeah, I mean, console. Right. So this TR is not generated by us. This TR is generated by JavaScript. See this TR. Total how many TR? 5 TR. If 100 elements you have, then 100 TR. Usually we write this TR manually, but now instead of writing manually, you wrote a JavaScript code, and inside the JavaScript you are generating dynamic HTML. Okay, you are generating dynamic HTML. Remove a space and remove /n. Hello. Yeah. 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 Tell me. You are coming? Yeah, it is there. You come. Yes, come. You do one thing, no? The application you have given, okay. In that she has put something wrong still. So you can bring one more form, on that will fill and will give you immediately. Okay, so td remove the space and remove the slash n, because if you are doing console.log in JavaScript, you need slash n, but this code are going to where? In HTML. Now at this place you will write document dot get element by ID, which ID? See for T body, what is the ID given? Item list. So in item list, this all tr you are going to send using inner HTML equal to all tr. Item list dot inner HTML equal to all tr. Check now. Once you refresh the page, it will come. Hello. Yes, yes. Mm. 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 Okay. 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 Where are you now? Okay. Yes, yes. You went backside. Okay. Come to the Kalamandir shop. Okay. Kalamandir shop you come and then I'll guide you from this. From Kalamandir is the third building. No, come to Kalamandir and call me. I'll guide you. Return. Check now. Hmm. Hmm. So you will get total number of TR generated by JavaScript. Is like this. Is like this. So once we refresh the page, what will happen? Function will call. Function will send a request to JavaScript. JavaScript is generating the number of TR, and that TR is getting assigned to item list using inner HTML. Console. Check the error in console. When it's not printing, right click, go to the console and inspect element, click on console, reload the page, error will be there. It will show line number and it will show what error. That we have to understand that point. Okay. One. Right. You are here. Okay. Next to this, you will find Amara. Next to Amara, TD are not closed. Can you see the TD you are generating under the for map function? None of the TD is closed. Inside the map TD you are creating, TDs are not closed. That is your problem. Okay. The TD should close. If TD will be closed, then well, it will come properly. Share the code in chat box. If I'll share you the code, what will be the benefit? Well, you should use your own code, no? Code is given. Now let's see. You add one more item and see that is coming in the list or not. Add more item and refresh your page. Add one more item, save your file. Right, item came in the last. Now for, you can write one CSS for TR. Open the style and close the style. And for TR you write text align center. So everything will print in the middle. And font hyphen size little bigger, like 20 pixel. Text align center, font size 20 px. Little bigger it will come and it will be in the middle. Well organized structure will be in the middle. Button. We did not write this code body types. You did not code, write this? I'm writing the body types. You are written in JavaScript? Yes. How many times it was printing in console? 5 times. Now instead of printing in JavaScript console, all the TR you have stored in this variable. All TR. All tr what is holding? All tr. Where you are sending? Item list using inner HTML. So we are generating the tr in HTML now. Sorry, in JavaScript. Before you are writing the directly HTML here. Correct? 10 times tr if you write here, but if you write here tr directly, your page will become a static page. It will not be as a dynamic page. Clear? So in that case, for t body, we given an ID and we ask the JavaScript to create the tr, and that list of tr we given to t body using inner HTML. So you are not writing manually now. Who is writing behalf of you? JavaScript. JavaScript is creating the tr dynamically. And this list of tr is going to send to the t body. If you have 1000 item also, you don't have to write 1000 times tr. JavaScript will create for you. So this becomes a DHTML, dynamic HTML. You are creating JavaScript code, and through JavaScript code you create the HTML. TR you have written one time, but in HTML how many times it's coming? 6 times. That becomes a dynamic TR. Okay. Dynamic TR. Come next. Okay. Write the next function. How to remove the element from array. How to remove an element from the array. Assume like you want to remove this keyboard. So keyboard is available on which position? 1. So we have to send this 1 to another JavaScript function, a splice function. A splice function will delete this particular element. If you want to delete the laptop, it's available on 4 position. So this position number we have to give another function. That function will delete from the array. Okay. So how it is? Come down. Write a next function called del item. Function del item. Inside that you need the index. First alert index. Alert the index. Alert the index. Okay, alert the index. Now this function is calling anywhere. We have to call this function on button click. On button click. So let's go here. We have a button on click in single quote. You call this function del item. Del item. And pass from there any number 1. Pass from there any number. For example, is a 1. Okay, getting any alert? Button click. Refresh the page. Click on button. Everywhere you will get as a any button click, alert will come 1. 1 are will coming. Everywhere, wherever you click, alert will come as a 1. Now how you are doing? See here. In del item you send 1. 1 will capture under the index and index will give as a alert. But our target is not 1. Our target is to send the value of this index. Now when you are printing the index, you can see it's a variable. Are you printing inside double quote or outside of double quote? We are printing here out of the double quote. Similar way here also under the del item function, index variable you cannot print directly inside. You have to print out of the double quote. So exact index variable, you go here and first close the double quote, both the side, and then put plus plus. So now what happened? Double quote end here, double quote start and double quote end. Here also double quote start and here double quote end. Correct? So this become as a one statement and this become as a another statement, right? Next, after this, one person has come from there. Placement coordinator. Just check with them. Welcome. Next, after that, index. Pass inside call index. Index. Now index how you printed here out of double quote. Similar way index also you need to print here out of double quote. Double quote end, double quote start, and in between you are concatenating with index. Okay. Check now. Now all the values should be unique. Whenever you click on delete, index will come, but it will be unique number. Unique number. So when we click here, keyboard is 1, scanner is 3, desktop is 5. So now numbers are unique number. Okay. You have a function called a splice function. Using a splice function, we can delete one element also, we can delete two element also, we can delete multiple element. But a splice function says whichever the element you want to delete, I need to know what is their index. And from index, how many you want to delete. Like suppose if you click on this one, printer. So what is the index? 2. So from this 2 index, how many you want to delete? 1 or 2 or 3. From this index number 2, if you delete 1, then only this will go, printer will go. If you delete 2, then printer and a scanner both will go. If you delete 3, printer, scanner and laptop, all 3 will go. Okay. So a splice function will ask you how many you want to delete, let me know. From where you want to delete, let me know. Okay. So what is your array name? Array name is called item. Come down. Right here, item dot splice. Item dot splice. Which position you want to delete? That is called index. And how many you want to delete? That is called only 1. From which position and how many? From which position and how many? Okay. Next, after that, I will come. After deleting this element, we need to call this. Which one? Get item. Yes. We need to call the get item. We need to call the get item. We need to call the get item. For what purpose? After deleting, reload the list. To reload the list after delete. To reload the list after delete. Once you delete element, after that, okay, check now. So delete the printer. Printer gone, a scanner came at the place of printer. Array will be reindexed automatically. After deleting the element, array will be reindexed. I will delete the first one, correct? Will delete the second one, right? So going, it will go from the list, but it is not permanent delete. It is just deleting from the array. Once you refresh, again all item will come back. Okay, so deleting item is getting removed. Now next functionality is we need to add the new item. We'll have a text box, enter the value, click on save, it should come under the list. So let's go before table. The right one, maybe p tag, and keep inside. Enter item name. Input type equal to text, id equal to new item. id equal to new item, button call save item. On click of that, call a function called save. Rotate. Let us see now. What is the structure of the page? P you can align center. P you can align center. It will come in middle. Before P tag, you can add one H1 also. Align center. Okay. Array. Add. List. Delete. Example. Now write a function called save, and in that pick the value of new item and alert it. That you can do, right? How to take the value from text box? Write a function called save. Inside, take the value of new item and alert that value. Then I'll write next line. Okay, text box is ready. Are you able to pick the value? Write a function where take the value of text box document.getElement by ID and alert that. Load the function. Alert is coming. Something like this. Function called save. After that, a variable. What is that? And write call item name equal to document dot get element by ID. What is the ID? Item. Now item dot value. New item dot value. Next, after that, you get the array name item dot push. Will add at the end of the array new item. After that, you need to recall the list, reload the list, reload the list. After adding the item. Next, after that, clear the text box. Dot value equal to empty. It clears the text field. It will add at the end of the array. To add new element. सर आ गए बताइए सर बोलिए सर ठीक है आइए to add new element at end of array. Push function will help you. Check now, working end to end. It should add the new element. First delete something, then add apple, save it, mango, save it, orange, save it. So delete should happen. Working? Working for how many people? Okay, now a small changes is required in this file. Like suppose this file we created where item is coming tr wise. Right? Tr wise it's coming. If this code remains same, the input remains same, but output format will be changed. Something like this. Let me come and make something like this. Something like this. Text box you have already. Let it be same text box. You will provide a save button here. That already you have one button called save also. Right? Like this. Next, after that, once you enter the value in one line, 3 elements will come like this. Next line, 3 element will go. Whenever you add the new value, it should print in the new line. 3 will come in one line. After that, it will go to the new line. Correct? What will be the width of one block? Margin padding, you need to give something, float and all. Display in line block something. Everywhere, like suppose you have entered the value called apple. Apple will be here and there will be button called delete. Delete. Correct. Button called delete. Again, suppose one element will be here called mango. Mango. And below button will be called as a delete. Something like this. So saving functionality same. Save functionality copy paste you can do. Only display functionality is change. Now look into this example. You are generating the TR. TR we are generating. But in this you will not generate the TR. You will generate the division. Division. And for division you will write some height and width. Delete functionality also remain same. No changes. Only the design, layout, display part is going to change. Right? Possible? Try now. Okay. Right. This is output. You can copy the previous file and paste. Save function remains same. List function instead of displaying the which one tr, it will display the division. Try कीजिए. Right. Possible or not possible? Right. How fast I am writing the code no matter. Are you able to write or not? If you try, then only you can write. Anyone? Okay. No? Email server? Why you copy paste that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to create through JavaScript. Okay, you have to create through JavaScript, not manually. Manually, you should not do copy paste. If you are doing copy paste manually through HTML, what is the meaning of JavaScript? Do you think there is a meaning of JavaScript? Hmm? Hmm? See, I have asked you to do like this. Simple. You are generating the TR, right? Now, instead of generating the TR, you have to generate the division. Data binding. 10. data binding 10. Okay. In that, remove this and all. Remove this also. This T body convert into section tag and section tag, and make it as empty. If you want to print something, write no record. That is also okay. Print as a no record. That will be okay. Next, after this, what you want to do? So HTML is ready. Okay, you will go to JavaScript, and in JavaScript, what you are doing here, you are generating the tr convert into div open, and div is closed. Okay, index you remove, td you convert into p tag, second td also convert into p tag. That's all. Happen or not happen? Simple like this. Division open close, and inside the division what you are generating? Paragraph. No other changes is required. No other changes is required. Everything is. So your input is same. Delete is also same. Only the format of output will get changed. The format of output will get changed. The format of output will be changed. Written. Now come to the CSS part. Section tag we have written. Write the CSS for section tag. Width 80%. Margin auto. After that, auto. Then you need column. So how many column you required? 3. So for that we have one class from grid. Display grid. Okay, this thing are required only. Hold on, I'll write here. Display as a display grid, rotate. Display. How many columns? 3. Auto 4 you have written. So 4 times it will come. If you keep 3, then 3 will come. 3 items will appear in one line. See, 3 items is coming. If you add anything else also, it will get adjusted automatically. Only 3 columns will come every time. Only how many columns? 3 columns will come. Hmm? Hmm? Wrote the CSS? CSS have written. In body, one section ID equal to item list. One section ID equal to item list. Hmm? Okay, working or not? See, delete will also happen. In case if we keep here auto 4 times, then 4 item will come. That is a simple CSS. Simple CSS, 4 if we keep, then how many item? 4 item. You have keep adding, no need to add any extra float here, there and all. Just the property will help you. That property name is right. So will you try some example in home, something like this? Hmm? Compulsory to do. See, JavaScript is the main part. You need to understand it well. Okay. So me. Okay. Display, go there. Display grid you have to write, and then grid template columns. DISPLAY, display grid. With 80% margin auto grid template columns. Grid template columns, how many? 3. Auto. Come down. Division is not open, not closed. Press it. But why? Where's 8% you are given? Or 80? Go in the code. 80px we are written. Go in the CSS. 80%. 80%. Okay. Okay. Now let's guide you. See in the previous example, you can see this example, this file. We have one user we have. So you have to create one file user.html. In that user.html, saving, listing, deleting. Saving, listing and deleting. One more file you have to create called product.html. In that also save, list and delete. One more file create called which one? City. There also save, list, and delete. How many buttons are there? 5 buttons are there. So 5 pages you will create, and book page, only book name Java save, list, delete, Python save, list, delete, HTML save, list, and delete. Correct? So you are going to create total 5 pages. Okay, and all the 5-page design should be similar. Somewhere 3 columns, somewhere 4 columns, somewhere 6 columns, somewhere 5 columns. Correct? And then save, list, and delete. Save, list, and delete. Save, list. Copy paste is also fine, but do it. Okay. What is the benefit of that? Benefit will be you will remember forever. Okay. Practice can help you to make a hero. If you are not practicing, means left side keep learning and right side keep forgetting. Okay. So you should be able to do that. That is the target. Okay. So please follow this. Which one? This file. And how many buttons we have? That many file you will create. Saving, listing, and deleting. Save, list, delete. Edit, I'll guide you once you become little comfortable. Okay. Okay. See you tomorrow. This file. Last file I'll send you in the group. Okay. Last file I will send you in the group.